To continue from the last video, we're adding up these three angles to set them equal to 180 degrees. So our 6x plus 6x minus 90 plus 3x plus 30 equals 180 degrees. Now we need to combine like terms. Like terms are the same variable raised to the same exponent. So here we have 6x plus 6x plus 3x. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 gives us 15x. Then we have our constants. Negative 90 plus 30, that gives us negative 60, which still equals 180. Now to get rid of that minus 60, because what we're trying to do here is solve for x so we can plug it back in to see which each angle measures, we're going to add 60 degrees to both sides. Those cancel out, so we still have our 15x. And then 180 plus 60 is 240. Then we're going to divide both sides by 15. We get x equals 16. So now to find out what each angle measures, we're going to plug in x equals 16. So 6 times 16, that gives us 96. So this angle is 96 degrees. For this one, we have 6 times 16 minus 90. So again, we already know 6 times 16 is 96. 96 minus 90, that gives us 6 degrees. Obviously, this triangle is not drawn to scale because that is not a 6-degree angle. And then we have our angle y, 3 times 16 plus 30. 3 times 16 is 48. 48 plus 30 gives us 78 degrees. Now to check to make sure we did all this right, we would add up all three angles, make sure they do equal 180. So 96 plus 6 gives us 112, 102. 102 plus 78 gives us 180, so we know we did that correctly. So now if we look at these three angles, we can choose whether it's obtuse or right. A right triangle would have one angle that equals exactly 90 degrees. We have 6, we have 78, we have 96. None of them are right angles, so this is not a right triangle. Obtuse means that it has one angle that is greater than 90 degrees. Well, 96 is greater than 90, so this is an obtuse triangle. Now you might be thinking, how can we classify by side length without having the side lengths here? But remember, we said that the smallest angle is across from the smallest side, the largest angle is across from the largest side. Well, if we have two equal angles, then we know we have two equal sides. And in an isosceles triangle, we'd have two equal sides. But since we have no equal angles, we know that we have no equal sides. We have all different angles, which means that all sides are going to have different measures, which is a scalene triangle.